DNS translates website names into IP addresses that devices use to connect to websites. Changing your Xfinity router's DNS server can improve speed, enhance privacy, or provide parental controls. As of late 2025, Xfinity offers two primary methods, the xFi app and the 10.0.1 admin panel. The xFi app is user-friendly, allowing you to select from popular options with a single tap. For advanced users, the 10.0.1 admin panel remains a viable option, though the xFi app is now the preferred method for most. The xFi app allows you to select from popular options like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare DNS with a single tap. Xfinity has also integrated DNS over HTTPS (DOH) in recent firmware updates, improving security. First, let's change DNS using the xFi app. Download the app from your App Store and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Navigate to Network, then Advanced Settings, and select DNS. Select or enter your preferred DNS servers, like Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.84.4. Changes take effect after a moment. Alternatively, use the 10.1 admin panel. Connect to your router and open a web browser. Type 10.0.0.1 in the address bar and log in with username admin and password from router sticker. Navigate to Gateway, Connection, Wi-Fi, DNS server, and input primary and secondary DNS addresses. Enter primary and secondary DNS addresses, then reboot your router. Ensure servers are valid to avoid connectivity issues.